Dreamstime turns 20, BlackBox 3.0, Lumina AI, Shutterstock, making working with miners easier. What the fuck is that? And top trends and consumers' request. Welcome back to the 6th episode of Hot Shoe News. I'm your host, Dustin Hall, and this is some of the stock photo and video news from around the web. Dreamstime is celebrating their 20th birthday. I guess this is news. Would be a lot better if I got some cake, and I mean real cake, not a photo of a delicious or video of a delicious, amazing cake. I want real cake. BlackBox moves to version 3.0. While there are a lot of updates that you can read about on their website, my key takeaways are as follows. There's now a new member star rating indicator at the top right corner of the dashboard, allowing members so now that they can rate their collaborators from the project workspace or submitted contacts page. I guess this is okay if you do a lot of collab work. I personally don't. Instant feedback now appears for errors with text in red, allowing you to know that the clip is not ready for submission. How is this just now being added, BlackBox? Welcome to 2020. Keyword auto-completion has been added. It can be enabled or disabled from the detail edit of the keywords field. Again, about time. The chat window now can be resized. Guess this is helpful to deal with all of their issues. There are several general improvements of buttons and page layout. There is a new status of release document approval displayed, i.e. pending, approved, rejected. Also, users can now upload clips directly from Adobe Premiere CC. Instructions are available in the help section of the portal. Finally, something that might actually have been useful. Anyways, moving on to Skylum is doing pre-sales of their Lumina AI. What is Lumina AI? It is an all-new application and plugin that will be released during the holiday season. It is the first fully powered AI image software in the world, so they claim. They claim artificial intelligence saves you time and effort, stating that traditional editing was outdated, it was time-consuming, and hard to learn. It requires efforts and skills to get that satisfying result. With Lumina AI, you can create great-looking photos much faster. It's perfect for anyone of any skill level. They claim it's packed full of truly smart technology, with many features allowing AI tools to get more done in less time. Innovations like Sky AI, Face AI, Body, Iris, Atmosphere, and more gives your images a more memorable style and a competitive edge without sacrificing quality, speed, or creative options. Sounds interesting. I could see some stock value here to help with your portfolio, but will it be worth the price tag? Maybe I'll buy it and let you know. Shutterstock continues to try to add value after punching all of us in the face with the commission structure change. They have now added to their digital release the ability to do a release for a miner. Thank you, that's actually really nice. Transitioning to some photo requests and ideas as we move into October. Some of these might be late because I was slow processing this video, but here we go. Wirestock's top pick for October consists the primary themes this month of the upcoming holiday, surprises and gifts, lives with disabilities, and DIY projects. I could go in depth on this, or you could just watch episode 5, whatever the case. Get comfortable, as these will be the themes for the next few months. For footage, Pond 5 has a few unique requests. Even though it's for more holidays, it's some that you might not have thought about. Such as October 5th was World Teachers Day. But given the monumental task faced by teachers in COVID, that could have led for some great opportunities if I would have got this out in time. Also, October 10th was World Mental Health Day. Given the mental toll that COVID has taken on everyone, that could have been profitable also. But again, I was lazy and didn't edit this. That's my bad, y'all. Alright, that does it for episode 6 of Hot Shoe News. This channel would not be possible without all of you amazing viewers. Make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. And if you really want to show some love so that maybe I hit the workout on time, use the link in the description to buy me a coffee. Because damn, I'm tired.